Hello everybody, this is Zach Lilly with East Point Real Estate Group, and today we're looking at 104 Princess Drive, Goldsboro, North Carolina, 27530. This house is the Carolina by the well-known Sasser Home Builders in the brand new Cypress Ridge subdivision. It features 3 beds, 2 baths, and 1,558 square foot of living area. It is located at 70 Bypass and 117, allowing convenient access to Seymour Johnson Air Force Base, shopping, entertainment, restaurants, and more. Step into the home and the open floor plan reveals the gas-burning fireplace in the cozy living room, dining area with decorative light fixture, granite countertop bar, and stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. Although this house is competitively priced at $180,900, Sasser Home Builders is offering an additional $4,000 to use as you choose, as well as a $2,000 lender credit from Karen Russo at OnQ Financial. If you have any questions or to schedule a showing, please contact me at 919-288-0688. Thanks.